Hello, welcome to this video. Today we will show you how to replace a load cell into a KCPN mounting kit. First, to take out the load cell, you have to lift up the upper plate. These two nuts. Lift the upper plate until the load cell is free. The bottom of the load cell is free. Then unscrew the locking screw. And take out the broken load cell. Insert the new load cell, first the cable, screw the locking bolt, and then unscrew the nuts so the upper plate just came down on the load cell. So connect ground connection. Thanks for watching. If you need more help or some information, please contact us by phone or through our website.